Hey guys, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Indian Scout in Silver Smoke. Extremely clean bike. It's got all the nice chrome detailing on it. Nice long rear fender. Cool brown seat. Key is located on the left-hand side right here, and it's got that older Indian motorcycle style key, which is really cool. And miles are low. We're at 1,788. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check this one out.